You may have already heard about overtone singing, or throat singing, or Mongolian throat overtone singing, Tuvan, Tibetan, Inuit, or even South African. Different cultures, different styles, different techniques. But let's see more precisely the overtone singing inspired from cultures around Altai Mountains. Is it really singing? Hi, I'm LIENS, overtone singing teacher, voice teacher, and vocalist. So imagine that you hear somebody whistling. And you say, "Wow, what a great singing!" He will look at you strangely. For Mongolians, it's almost the same. Overtone or throat singing is not singing. For them, it's a vocal expression of their pharynx. And because of that, they call it hoomei, K-H-O-O-M-E-I, that literally means pharynx. For them, is a way to communicate with the sounds, the elements, the spirits of their nature, with a waterfall or a river, with the wind, the rain, or a storm. Overtone singing has no lyrics, has not a tonal melody. The first harmonic of the voice, the fundamental frequency, is not moving. What you hear like a second voice, like a whistling melody, is a spectral melody inside the spectrum of the voice. Maybe for these reasons they don't refer to it as singing. If you want to explore it, try to move among your vowels or among the sounds U and E, slowly. So next time that you will practice, pay attention to your own vibrations, to your throat, to your resonances. Be inspired from your environment, ideally from your natural environment. Try to listen it carefully and try to communicate with it. If you like that video, click the button. Share the video. Let me know what you think about all of that on comments. Till next time, till next video, take care of your unique and authentic voice.